Assalamualaikum, this is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Homebrew from your Mac. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, you have to open your terminal, and to open it, press Command and Space button together and search terminal. Now, run the following command. I'll add this command in the description box so you can copy and paste easily. Then press return and type Y. Press return again. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Now, if prompted, enter your Mac password. Press return again. Now, if you want to check whether it's installed or not, type brew version. And here you can see that it's totally uninstalled. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled Homebrew. Thanks for watching.